What is HPT? Marilyn Andrews, MA, School Education, Liberty University, and this is for the course Edu 732. So, human performance technology is a systematic process of discovering and analyzing important human performance gaps, planning for future improvements in human performance, designing and developing cost effective and ethically justifiable interventions to close performance gaps, implementing their interventions, and evaluating the financial and non financial results. And this is research from Kang and Melinda of 2018. The true definition of human performance technology, or HPT, is dependent on the language used in context. Some research describes the concepts of human performance technology as a transaction between the behavior and the desired outcome. So, some key attributes of HPT. Throughout the research of Kang and Melinda of 2018, there were 15 key attributes identified when defining human performance technology, or HPT. Of these key attributes includes the following: focusing on outcomes, systemic study, ethical practice, open to all means, organization, analysis, intervention selection, design, development, implementation, evaluation, effectiveness, and improving productivity. Once again, from Kang and Melinda of 2018. Based on the 15 attributes listed, the first three attributes, focusing on outcomes, systematic, and systemic, showed similarity among researchers. Kang and Melinda 2018 once again states that the focus should be on the performance rather than the instruction or training. The systemic approach is nonlinear and seeks to view problems in their entirety, including internal interactions and external connections. The systematic approach is viewed as a linear and as a step-by-step guide to connecting elements of instructional design, including analysis, implementation, and evaluation. HPT is a simple misinterpretation in language. A comparison between a top performer and a mediocre performer is made in Gilbert Research in 2019. And it states that the practices of the mediocre performer should be followed instead of the top performer. The practices of the top performer may be in question as many are cheating on their jobs, have poor job measurements, ball suck ups, and some are even overworking to get ahead. The theorist, behavioral theorist B.F. Skinner practices are put into place with the experimentation of pigeons. So, using two test pigeons, B.F. Skinner took a desired task and broke it up into easily digestible tasks. Much like the method used by B.F. Skinner, the dissecting of content for the sake of learning is one that is used in HPT to improve overall performance. Design thinking and customer service. The research of Chong and Chong of 2018 divides the customer's experience into three categories, including unmet expectations, met expectations, and exceed expectations within the HPT plan. There are 6 systematic steps to improving overall customer experience. These 6 steps include determining need or opportunity, determining cause, designing solutions, including implementation and evaluation, implementing solutions, and evaluating results and impact. And that is once again from the Chong and Chong 2018 research. Each of the systematic steps build on one another. As an example, to be able to design solutions, there must first be a need or cause discovered. Upon the discovery of the problem, they are then defined as a problem statement in a human-centered manner, which provides human-centered action. Once again, Chong and Chong of 2018. To measure the success of the systematic steps taken in the process, there is a need to focus on results through questioning, confirmation, and reaffirmation that all people involved share the same goals and vision and are able to perform their duties. HPT in healthcare. Nurses want to achieve optimal outcomes just as project managers want to build things on time and instructional designers want to develop effective courses and tools. The text highlights by Hopper and Zabrowski of 2018 that although goals, training, background, and work environment vary from field to field, the professional models and methods are quite similar. The use of the term technology does not refer to computer technology, but how organizations turn inputs into outputs. The text shows that age-old methods of training and retraining did not improve employee performance, yet the combination of literature, techniques, and tools in a systematic manner led to improvements. Surprisingly, the nursing process is similar and includes the following: assessment, diagnosis, outcomes, planning, implementation, and evaluation, which is quite similar to the HPT process. Human performance technology in education. The concepts of HPT or human performance technology extend far beyond the corporate world. In fact, the methodology or practice of HPT is used within the field of education as a means of closing achievement gaps for learners. Whether a classroom teacher, support person, or school administrator, HPT lends itself as a valuable component in the growth and development of all members within an educational setting or organization. While the definition of HPT is dependent on context, the methods, strategies, and systematic processes used to achieve a desired outcome are often similar. Student performance and satisfaction online. Within the text, impact of online classes on the satisfaction and performance of students during the pandemic period of COVID-19 by Ram Gopal, Varsha Singh, and Arun Agarwal, 2021 research. A deeper look into the factors that directly affected student satisfaction and performance during the COVID-19 pandemic are weighed. While e-learning has been used in education for many decades, students have been given the choice rather than forced to use such online platforms. Learning loss during the pandemic can be attributed to ill-designed online courses, instructor quality, student expectations, and student feedback. Student performance is also weighed based on web-based applications, modern web-based classrooms, and student environments. Each of the variables feed into the perceived performance of the student. Steps taken to close the achievement gap and address learning loss included teachers participating in educational technology trainings. In addition to this, pedagogical styles and techniques were examined and improved in order for students to learn to be positively impacted during online learning. Leadership in HPT. The role of a principal within a public or private school lends itself to wearing many hats. The text provides several ways in which technology enables school leaders to conduct their jobs more effectively. And this is from the research of the Human Resource Management Digest of 2021. Through use of technology as a primary agent in communication, school leaders are able to reach larger stakeholders when seeking to relay a message. These communications can range from delegation of tasks for teachers to leading classrooms and school-wide instruction. Principals are also able to monitor work streams, attendance records, and overall school performance. The research shows that principals feel more equipped to perform their roles with the use of efficient technological tools. HPT is ever evolving. The field of human performance technology is one that is ever evolving due to the complexity of its systematic approaches. However, in the fields of education and business, there are common grounds as closing achievement gaps are the overall common goal. And as you can see here, I have the resources listed And once again, thank you for watching this video.